Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And I'm Abish Matthew.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with no edits.
I want to start off with my impression of Jabba the Hutt.
Okay.
Go for it.
Oogie doogie booga googa doo. Hoodie baba deawa.
There was some Bengali in the middle there. Hoodie Baba. I had a Hoodie Baba.
the Hutt.
Hey, Hoodie Baba was Bengali.
It's like what non-Bengalis think Bengalis say.
Oh,
we say Ore Baba, which has slowly through Hindi-speaking people become Udi Baba. And it's Hoodie. It
That's
was
the Pulsar, right?
It was some
bike.
car or bike.
Some
yeah,
bike.
Yeah. Hoodie Baba. Yes. Hoodie Baba.
It's Hoodie Baba.
Hoodie Baba.
Hoodie Baba.
Yeah.
I married in Odia, so I'm learning a bit of
Oh.
Odia, which is
Yeah, similar to.
similar, like it's Mu instead of Ami.
Yeah, Orissa is like our Belgium, if we are France. The most pretentious way of looking at it.
The worst.
The first thing I found out where it's just like the claim that Rasgulla
Yes.
Yeah. It's a
Odia,
big one. It's a big
and
one.
then the Bengalis Hoodie Baba'd it.
Yeah.
And they're so good at marketing it, they completely owned it.
I mean,
What are your comments on that?
honestly, you can have Rasgulla. I have no problem with it.
But what do you want in
What do you
return?
want?
What do I want from just the general nice nature of people in Odisha? Way better than Bengali people in general. Just this is how you alienate your whole core base. Like, dude,
Yeah, that's right.
we are the same, man. We are the same. We must all live together. Imagine no countries. What is it?
Yeah, imagine there's no
Heaven.
people. No.
Imagine there's no people.
That's Sam Altman, sorry.
That's the final unreleased version of John Lennon's Imagine.
Imagine there is no people. Give me your most amazing robot voice. Like, what do you think? Just, why not?
When you have no format, this is what happens. All right, yeah?
You said you want to waste time.
Yeah.
I said this, I am best at that.
Best robot voice. I mean, it's this. It's how I do my stand-up, really. This is my robot voice.
Nice. Can you try this?
Hi, Siri.
Oh, that's Siri.
Yeah.
Oh, why is Siri taking her own name?
Good.
Hi.
Our automated
I'm
voices
Siri.
have like two options. One is,
Yeah.
the other one is, hi.
Yeah.
I am your
That's
automated
the,
assistant.
that's the HR automated voice. It's the robot is like this.
You are now under PIP.
And Siri is the worst AI of all.
Really?
Yeah.
Siri is not an AI.
AI
They're
also.
just
It's
now,
basically an agent.
Yeah, they're trying to work with Gemini to
Yeah.
be able to replace Siri's AI capabilities.
So what is Siri if it's not AI?
It
it's
is
like a-
it's a voice assistant, right?
Yeah,
Correct?
it's an
That's what
assistant,
it
yeah.
is, an assistant.
But it doesn't go
It does
and
everything.
look
Everything
up?
you can do on the phone. It can set an alarm, check the weather, all these things. But if you tell him like, just tell me why Tutankhamun was 3'4",
Yeah.
it'll be like, okay. I'll have to ask
It'll
ChatGPT.
be
Can I
like,
ask
it's
ChatGPT?
26 degrees outside.
Do you want any more weather?
Yeah, I Siri, but it's just, that's just because it was first. It came
True.
up first, right? That was the first technology in this zone.
Yeah, voice assistant. Yeah. it's just-
And it's still the one we know. I mean, Alexa probably is now the more
Gemini
famous.
is huge, bro. Gemini, they are putting
Oh, yeah?
Gemini in everything. In Google Drive,
Yeah.
when you're putting something in Google Drive, they're like, do you want to help? I'm like, hey,
Dude,
just
this
relax,
relax, bro.
I'm not that dumb yet. Give us our generation. at
The
least.
Gemini button is hidden. It's like I've clicked on it, I don't know it. It's like, so, oh, okay, I'm
Yeah.
here to help you.
That's why it's like, I think sometimes it's share. So I click at Gemini, like, whoa, hey, what's up?
I have used Gemini in this way where if I'm doing any accounting, right? If I'm downloading my Excel sheet of credit card payment, I'll put it on Excel or like Google Sheet and press the Gemini button and say, can you find patterns? And they're like, yes, you have a spending problem. So then I take, if wealth manager is sending me PDFs per month of how the investment is doing, which I have no knowledge on. But I need to sound smart to
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
So I put it on Notebook LM and I make it into a 10-minute audio podcast. And they're like, wow, this time around, it's been great investment. But the thing with AI is, it has the same problem. Everything is awesome problem.
Yeah.
It's not able to give you...
It's not allowed almost to
It's
say.
not. It's supposed to make you feel good.
Yeah.
So it kind of works in my wealth manager's benefit. So I need an AI that has the
Yes.
pessimism of Shamik.
Yes.
Like, it's like,
Yes.
you're not
Yeah.
doing well enough.
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, I could, dude. What a great! I would be a great voice for the pessimistic AI. No energy in the voice, no positivity.
Yeah.
I'm like, no, I can't.
Zero
look up.
subscribers also to your.
You're like, play some song. I'm like, why that song?
well, yeah.
Let me choose a better song for you. What's wrong with you?
Hit me in my personality and choices when you're doing it.
New Linkin Park album. Who
But
listens
have
to
you
that?
heard of that notebook thing? Notebook
Notebook
LLM?
LLM?
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Have you used it?
You know what it is, right? It just
No.
convert into a podcast.
It is one of the things. I'll tell you what
Yeah.
Notebook
Why are
LM
we
does.
here? Let's go home.
Yeah, honestly, now that I'm so used to listening to Notebook LM,
Yeah.
decode my medical history 2023 that I upload 2024 to keep my cholesterol, it gives me an idea.
Nice.
And that I put my finance just to get an understanding. Now, when two people are talking and doing two people podcasts, I'm like, why don't they let the other person finish a sentence like Notebook LM does? There is no interruption.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
it.
God.
You can get two people to discuss your health issues.
It's over, man.
Like,
What
like,
are
oh,
we-
you know, hey, Shamik,
Yeah.
his BP is too high these days. Oh, but that's great, right?
And then you can upload that online and
Yeah,
see
yeah,
if people
Spotify.
are watching your podcast.
You
Listen.
uploaded?
Oh, yeah, I mean, not online, but here's my Notebook LM, okay?
Okay,
You
play
want to
it.
hear my medical
Yeah, yeah,
history?
play it.
Look at
No.
this.
Not
Ready?
medical.
Okay. I'm playing it. Okay, let's see if it.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
has
yeah.
to drink lots of water.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really digging into some health data. We're looking at Abish Matthews' journey through a couple of health checkups.
That's right. We've got a premium checkup.
But-
May 2025. He was 38 then.
And we're comparing that to a privileged checkup from back in January 2023 when he was 35.
Exactly. And the idea is to, pull out the key bits of information, see what
Disgusting.
But I can even interrupt it.
what hasn't, and maybe sponsor
Oh, it's already recorded.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you could interrupt this, I would be like,
I could
God
interrupt
damn.
this. Like there is a
Like
new
the
way to
while
do
it's
it.
happening, you can
While
interrupt
yeah, right now it's already done.
This is it's saved. You've saved this file.
I have saved this file, but if I come here
Yeah.
and if I just say I want to change it,
Ah.
it'll do a audio overview again. But every time you use AI, you just have to think that you're drowning out a few liters of water. So do you really want to use
I
it?
have no
Exactly.
problem.
Yeah, this guy has caused so much damage to the
I'm like pro
environment.
Nestle. I want to privatize water.
Bastard.
As a
You
matter
guys
of
are
fact, last
animals.
week, we globally we have entered water shortage era, which is now you start seeing sinkholes in, I think not Turkey, but I'm forgetting, where you can see sinkholes of water
This
depletion.
is
It's
where
gonna
you
happen
guys
now.
are going to
No.
be begging me because I've kept one bucket full in my bathroom. That's called investment, bro. Give it to me. It's over for you, man. It's not what you do, it's how you, whatever. I don't know the sayings, but it's...
No, but everything is increased because AI. Even your hard drives are higher.
Soft.
Yeah, really soft right now.
It's all changing. The whole format, the hard drive, they're soft now.
soft
They don't even
auto
drive
drive.
very
anymore.
costly. It's,
You don't even need to
It's
drive.
generally like
Yeah.
the other way around, where like technology gets cheaper.
Yeah.
But because Sam Altman,
Because they don't have in the
Yeah, capacity to,
resources. Yeah. Sam Altman, are
Man,
you
the
watching,
name
bro?
Altman itself has alternative to man. So if you look at it, why are we
Oh
following
my
this
God,
guy?
it's like that.
Altman, wow.
It's that, what is it called? Nominative predeterminism. Do you
There
know?
you go.
It's like when
What's
you do,
that?
like Usain Bolt is a
Ah.
runner.
So
It's
it's like
whatever your name is, you end up doing something.
yeah,
that-
Abish Matthew, sexy.
yeah.
Goes with that
Yeah.
category.
Correct,
Play him.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Abish Matthew sounds like Sachin Tendulkar.
There you
They
go.
look so similar.
There's that one series is going on Instagram, which is like weird things AI leaders say. Every day, one guy uploading weird things AI people have said, and there's like a Peter Thiel
Oh, yeah,
interview
yeah.
where they're like, so the interview is like, so you want the human race to exist, right? And Peter Thiel is like,
He takes a second.
and that guy's like, wait, you don't want it? I said like, it's a very tough question. They're like, it's not a tough question.
Peter Thiel is like is Satan basically.
Yeah.
He is the worst guy ever.
Worst.
All things combined to create the worst. Like in that Lord of the Rings scene, they create one orc in the ground covering things. Yeah, the Urukai.
Urukai, come
He
on.
merges. He is that guy. And
Have you,
Weird guy.
do you know about Project 2027? The paper that came out
Oh, AI in 2027.
AI in
Yeah,
2027,
yeah.
right? Not project, yeah. AI in 2027, which is the threshold year. And predictively, they've been saying that what's going to happen after 2027.
Yeah.
And there's, I think, a Radio Lab or an explainable podcast about it also. Check out a few videos. So 2027
Yeah.
is supposed to be
Landmark
a
sort of.
landmark benchmark year
Yeah.
for AI, where either either of the realities start
Yes.
becoming popular.
Got it. So that's like the singularity. Are we approaching
No,
that?
the thing is, so one side of the AI safety versus AI
Yeah.
research, right?
Yeah.
They are in loggerheads, but they have their own. They also believe in each other. AI safety doesn't get as many people as much as the development part does.
What a shocker.
So everyone's like, hey, can we have more people on this side than
Yeah.
on that side?
No, this is that thing which I was telling previous podcast earlier. I was telling where like when AI starts thinking in their language,
Yeah.
then they'll start deception, and then
Then what?
But it's already there. Deception's part of it, no? So
Yeah.
now there are some studies, again, you'll have to check on, Google it right
Dude,
away.
I actually saw
Where-
one study, which is a deadly one, where this is a trial experiment, okay, where AI was given access to the mails of a whole organization, and they simulated a mail to one guy, Matt. Okay, said that Matt, you have to shut down this AI at 5 p.m.
Okay.
AI doesn't want to get shut down, so AI searches through his mailbox, finds out he has an affair, and it threatens him, saying that if you shut me down at 4:50, I will send this mail to your board of directors saying that you're having an affair and all those things. So this is how you do it. Tell your board that you shut me down, but you can like keep me alive.
I still feel
Wow.
AI did a better job than Coldplay did. It asked
Yes.
that, "भैया मैं करूँगा."
That's
Coldplay ने
so
कर दिया. So,
Did the
you tell
AI
me.
also turn a camera to the whole office like, hey, what are you two? What are you two doing here? Man, but so AI can, what I got from this AI will keep people faithful. They will keep them
Yeah.
from cheating. This is the positive spin. This is the Peter Thiel take on this. AI keeps you faithful.
No, this is that whole like even that Oracle guy. What is that guy's name? Ellison, Larry
Larry
Ellison.
Ellison.
He says that. Like, let's put security cameras everywhere. Why? You're doing crime or what? Like, hey, man.
This is
You know what? I
the-
don't have a private island where
Yeah.
I don't have it.
This is
okay?
also that attitude of people in comment sections whenever there's a discussion about privacy, and there's some people who are like, why you need privacy? I have nothing to hide.
Yeah.
People are like, that's not how privacy works. You don't just okay, we'll put your bank details online then and let everyone see
Dude,
it.
you have to read this book for privacy. We have been harmonized. It's a book about
Yeah,
China.
I read it, China.
Yeah, hilarious. So
Yeah.
so China, they take these new technologies and they beta test it in different provinces. Literally like a tech company they run.
Yeah.
So they have this like a proper like a Black Mirror kind of thing where like you have a social score where if you jaywalk you get a -1.
Yeah.
It's all logged.
Yeah.
And to get a +1 back, you have to like help an old lady
You have
cross
to
the road.
moonwalk across that same crossing.
That's a great game. Like if you have like an app, go.
Yeah. Net zero, you have to come
Like
back
a
to.
Pokemon Go,
Crazy.
find your oldest Chinese person next to you. help them
retrace
cross
your
the road.
steps. But China is, the whole country is like being beta tested.
Yeah.
And then they,
WeChat also is just like absolutely censored. You can't say, if you say Taiwan, they'll put like a smiley. Like,
it changes to something
yeah,
else, your whole
convert
conversation. It's like, I think you meant, I love you.
Yeah.
I've been to China 2011, I think,
Oh.
I want to say. I was working in radio and I did a travel show called Oh My Buddha, which was for TLC with a Chinese American co-host for which we
Nice.
went for a week or two to China. And that co-host came with me to Kerala for like a week or two. So we did. I still can't find that episode anywhere. I just have promos and photos on my Google
Oh,
library
boy.
to show you that I went to a Shaolin monk and I was
Damn.
interviewing them and I was a complete idiot. And
You were doing comedy with
I was
Shaolin
trying,
Monk?
you know, this year, I want to say 2000, not 11, sorry, 9 or 10.
Okay.
When I just started doing comedy and I was doing radio, so I was like, oh, मैं तो बहुत funny हूँ. Because if you know,
Yes.
there's this theory about pre-internet comedians.
Yes.
Talk a lot, and
Yes.
hopefully one of these things are funny.
Yeah.
Post-internet comedians, no, brevity is the soul of it, how stand-up is done. So this is pre-internet me, and I think I made a complete fool of myself in front of the Abbott, and the director had to be like, say less,
Damn.
say less.
In front of people who basically don't speak.
Say anything, yeah.
Right?
If
They
the
didn't
monk
know.
said that to you, it'll be hilarious. monk is
Yeah,
like,
you put the lapel mic on the monk and he doesn't talk the whole episode.
I did get punched by a monk as well. Oh my god, dude, I have the Google
have-
photos of it. Okay,
You
I
got
think
punched by a
remember.
monk?
Yeah.
They're
but
great.
are they good at those things?
No, as in like punched by a monk, not out of aggression,
Yeah.
but as a show of like.
Yeah, but they are good at it.
Yeah,
Shaolin
the-
monks are the ones who train in martial arts and
Here,
stuff.
okay,
Shaolin
let me-
soccer.
36 chambers of Shaolin. 36th chamber of Shaolin.
Football also they're good at, right?
Shavan
Oh,
Sakar. That's correct.
yeah.
That's legit. That
Yeah.
documentary you're
Yeah,
talking about, right?
documentary,
Yeah.
Now it just looks like I'm going through my photos
Don't
while
worry,
enjoying
you'll
my
edit,
history.
you'll edit that.
Guys, let me know when we start recording the podcast.
Holy
again.
shit! For those of you who are wondering, Abish is just looking through a series of what look like dick pics for one non-dick pic. Finally,
All right. So now
you didn't find it.
for one day, I had to really zoom in. Okay.
So wait, so this never came out then, or was the
It came
show?
out. It was on TLC.
Oh, on TLC.
Yeah, it came out.
Dude, you did something recently on Apple TV also, right?
Oh, with Eugene Levy. That was
Insane,
so sick, dude.
Yeah, dude, Eugene
It was
Levy,
so
man.
sick.
What a legend. For those of you who don't know Eugene Levy, he's most famous in the world, unfortunately.
American Pie.
For being the dad in American Pie, which is how you know him, the man with the bushy eyebrows. But he's a legend of Canadian comedy, I believe, originally.
Yeah.
And Second City. No, what is it?
Second City.
Second
Oh,
City?
yeah.
He did
Improv
Second
guy.
City.
And SCTV, which is like the SNL of Canada, which many say was better than SNL a lot.
They still have SCTV still running.
Yeah, and there was what's
studio.
her name? The Catherine O'Hara was on that, and Martin Short. They're all legends, very funny people. So you did a thing with him.
A
What was
travel
that?
show called A Reluctant Traveler. He has this show. This is on its third season. So India was on the radar. So I got an email by the production crew. I immediately responded. They said it's based in Jaipur. So my response was that I am not the right comic for this because I am a Malu comic from Delhi who lives in Bombay. Happy to connect you to some Jaipur comics. They were like, okay, but still just meet us. I mean, video call. I did a video call. They really enjoyed it.
Nice.
They got in touch, did a couple of Zoom calls. I think the team really liked the vibe. And then Lloyd and I, we were just like, okay, fine. Udaipur, Jaipur.
Lovely, dude.
I already had Lloyd has taken me around that entire place. So I remember meeting Eugene Levy at the hotel and they wanted to keep the interactions, make sure that he's such a big guy that sometimes people might be like, oh my God, can I take a selfie? So I was like, hold some dignity at your end also. Yeah, he might enjoy it. So when we met at the hotel, he didn't know I do stand-up or have any connection to improv or anything. So in our first day of shoot, while we were waiting for the camera crew to settle in, we said hi. He knew how to pronounce my name. He was laughing at what I was saying. I was laughing at what he was saying. Politeness was being exchanged. Then when I said I'm a comic and I do improv, he's like, oh, you do improv? Oh, I did
What does
improv.
Scooby do?
Hey, this is
It's
my
kind of-
best
I see
impression.
it. I
Let me
see
try
it.
to do my best
I
impression.
see it.
of Eugene Levy.
Okay, I see it.
And this is out of respect. This is I'm trying
Yeah.
to. Hi, Abish. So you're trying to tell me that in India, spices are as important as odors? I don't know.
Yeah. I see it. It's just
So-
you have really thin eyebrows, and
Yeah,
so
if you
it's
had
not
more
working.
eyebrows,
You've-
it would've been,
We
yeah.
need to add eyebrows. In post, we will put eyebrows
Yeah,
in.
just get me a Sindhi dude.
Yeah, I can hear a
Forearms.
bit of a bit of Obama also. I'm listening. I'm
Oh,
hearing.
Obama. I can do an Obama. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of the public.
Yeah.
Nice.
The American people want to say that we're really sorry for the way that the world is being treated by our current leader and the people of India. Jaya ho.
Nice,
it
nice.
is.
Yeah, pretty good. This is my impression of Modi.
Yeah. No. no. Okay.
Real.
I meant Lalit Modi.
Oh.
Classic
No
flipperoo.
balls. No balls comedy. Back on the podcast chair.
No balls comedy. A beautiful cricket connection also on that. Lalit Modi now only appears in karaoke nights with other billionaires. He's
Yeah.
just like dancing in a suit. And he's like, I did it my way. He's singing Sinatra songs like an unk.
Something
And
about
with Vijay Mallya, right? He was
Vijay
hanging
Mallya.
out with
Yeah.
recently.
Yeah.
something about rich people being captured by other people's cell phone just reduces the dignity.
100%.
Right from the Ola to like
So
to
this is the thing though, the new crop of billionaires, their dignity, they start with no dignity almost because they're always on camera now.
Yeah.
Also they dress like us. They're just like trying to be like me. in visually is like just.
Dude,
like,
did you
why
watch
do it?
that Dipinder Goel, Raj Shamani,
Oh,
this one?
Yeah.
Dude, he was trying to be relatable. This guy, he's a billionaire.
Yeah.
He lives in that what is that thing, that 100 crore thing
Yes,
in Gurgaon.
yes.
What is that apartment called? DLF.
Is it
Kiss
DLF?
my ass, something.
DLF Kiss My Ass is a great name
yeah,
for when you make it. You're like, yeah, the whole of all of you, kiss my ass.
I am part of the KMA society.
yeah. And this guy, he said that like, Raj Shamani asked him like, hey, you have a lot of cars. That's your big thing, right? He's like, yeah, when I was a kid, I liked like toy cars a lot. He tried to get like a sob story.
Yeah,
in.
yeah,
And
origin
now it's
story.
more like an impulse purchase.
No,
A supercar.
It's like on the way out of the supermarket,
Yeah,
like
like,
one
oh,
chewing
yeah.
gum and one
After
Lamborghini.
more,
See,
let's
I
go
wanna
to
be a devil's
Ferrari.
advocate here,
Yeah.
because if I'm supporting billionaires, what am I?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
if, let's say, right now you wanted coffee, and you can afford coffee, so you ordered coffee.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
While people out on the streets, they would look at this and like, are you fucking
Correct.
stupid?
So
What are
you're
you
saying for
doing?"
him, Lamborghini is
Lamborghini is a Blinkit delivery.
Nice,
Probably
bro.
available on Blinkit right now.
yeah, 10 minutes.
Wow,
mein.
man. What do you have, a brand deal pending?
it drove-
What is
But
this?
you know why it doesn't shock me? Because in Noida, there's a sector called Sector 15A. So
My favorite, top 3 sectors.
top 3 sectors.
Yeah.
Lots of rich people, lots of
Yeah.
like educated
Yes.
IAS, IFS officers, plus business
Oh,
owners.
corrupt people, yes.
Yes.
yeah, okay.
I would like to say innocent, because I know
Innocent
some of them.
until proven guilty people,
So
yes.
I think India was playing a match or something, and in support for the victory or something, I know that one of the members had bought a blue Toyota Corolla.
Okay.
That's
And
no
I-
problem.
and that was the first time I was
See, you'd seen a
faced with that.
Corolla.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. So I
What
feel
is
like when I
that?
saw
What the Toyota people reacted also?
Yeah, were you playing all the characters in the room? Did you give us all of it? Hoodie Baba, Hoodie Baba, Hoodie. Then when Pulsar went from there, he's like, Hoodie Baba, Hoodie Baba.
it's racist on both ends now.
India. Ah,
So, yeah,
yeah.
so I
They were just
support-
singing Hoo Ha India, Aya India, which was the song from when India was playing back then. Sorry, continue.
I like Kudi Baba more. But yeah, that was my first tryst with this richness in car, which then I was like, okay, maybe people with cars do. I don't understand.
No, but see, that is, you saw his private life.
Yeah, this is on a podcast.
This is a podcast where he's trying to be relatable. This podcast was a puff piece
Yeah.
for him to say that, hey, delivery guys also can afford Ferrari one day, all those things.
Yeah, all you have to do is deliver 7 trillion orders,
Yeah.
and you'll be able to buy
a
one.
day.
Yeah, one wheel of a Lamborghini. You can just push it with a stick along the road after that.
Wow, man.
Out
That's
of
why I
sync.
want AI to be from your mind.
Yeah. So did you see that thing, the temple thing that he put
Temple.
on his head, which is like
Brain flow.
brain flow? It is
It's
talking
a
about.
metric that he created because
Yeah.
he has $1 billion.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a metric that he created. There is no
Yeah,
study.
if you
no-
wear the temple and you the data comes on your laptop, it said Deepinder is awesome. That's all. There is no other
and
information.
Order something from Blinkit.
Yeah, he is doing well right now. That's what it'll say. There's a doctor or some tech guy who
Yeah.
said this
Yeah,
is just
Fitter, the FITTR guy. I forgot his name, but he's like so vocally against him. I love it. Where
Yeah.
he's like, this guy doesn't know anything. He's just citing some random paper and saying.
But it's also when it comes to a competing brand or someone who does something in the same domain.
Dude, when can you have optimism? You're always
No,
pessimistic.
because they're all evil. They're all evil. They're all just profiteers who are. Man,
This guy's
listen.
like, oh, I hate one side, but the other side.
They're both
dislike.
bastards, but please, I'll still do your brand work because I need to survive. But like, I hate all of you. Just remember that. All the brand work I do, just if you're watching,
Yeah, it's a
I
different
hate all
character.
of this
That's a
actually.
different character.
Yeah, that's
Brand
a
work
character
character is
piece.
different character.
That's
Yeah,
true. I love your brand work because there's always Shamik always talking to Shamik. only.
Yeah.
No. I'm trying to-
Slightly more dressed Shamik.
Yeah.
So I mean, but character acting, he's so method about who you are.
It's listen, man. You gotta cut costs wherever you can to keep all the money. This is the Akshay Kumar model. Don't let others make money off of the project.
This is what Deepinder does. He's just like,
Listen, man.
no trickle down. This is all trickle here
I
economy.
impulse purchase a shirt and I'm like, I will use that in the next brand work. All right, that's my Lamborghini.
Your eyes have a special kind of rigor mortis to it.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
like every time you're talking,
What's the special kind of rigor
What's a
mortis?
special kind?
it's stuck at like, if you look at Shamik's eyes, He's
guys
got,
come prepared
he's got
with this.
beautiful fish eyes like Bengalis, but tilted at a 45-degree angle downwards.
Man,
Damn.
I
So
haven't looked at
he-
me like you have looked at
Damn,
me,
bro.
dude.
He looks like. Have you seen? I want to
Tutankhamun.
say
A police sketch.
Space Odyssey. Not the
2001.
Space Odyssey.
Another one.
Alien 1.
Wait, stop. This is why Notebook LM podcasts are easier because they have silences. They don't overtalk.
Sorry,
Yes.
man. We'll just leave and
Yeah.
keep a phone here to talk.
Demogorgon.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
The robot from Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy.
Yeah, paranoid android.
Paranoid Android.
Yeah,
There you
yeah,
go. That's
yeah.
what you
That's
are.
beautiful. I'll take it. That's a nice Radiohead song also. I'm a fan. Thanks. I look like no one has compared me to Paranoid Android before. I've got Sundar Pichai and who else? I get
Raghu Aran.
yes. You also have got.
Yeah, Raghu Aran. I also.
You know
You
Raghu
also
Aran?
Yeah.
These are
Raghu Aran, the Tamil actor.
legendary.
Basha villain.
Oh, you.
Yeah, hey, what the?
Yeah,
We'll
that's
retake that.
Correct.
I look like Raghu.
Ooh, you.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, you makes no sense. Oh, you. What is that? Oh, you look like him. Oh, not him. Oh. This is also similar to what you did when you saw the blue Corolla. It's very
Yeah,
similar.
yeah.
energy. I was more. Did this happen when you said blue Corolla? All that stayed in my head was blue. I have not seen a blue one.
Yeah.
Corolla I've seen many, but
Yeah.
blue.
The blue Corona.
Dude, it's insane.
Toyota
There was
Corolla.
a guy in my apartments when we were growing up who had the one Mercedes Benz in our apartment complex, and Mercedes has to show off that it's a
Yeah.
Mercedes, so it has to. In this axis, it has to have a logo
Yeah.
sticking up, right?
Yeah.
Every month, someone took it home. Someone broke it, and once I was in another friend's house and there was a Mercedes logo in a shelf. And I'm like, you took it, you broke it. He's like, no, this is my uncle bought this for me. He's like,
But this is how asshole rich people are. Rolls
Yeah.
Royce also people used to do that.
yeah,
That
and then
thing.
it goes
Yeah,
down.
now if you touch it, it goes inside.
It retracts.
Stingy bastard.
Rich people won't let you steal even the front of the car.
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck?
Guys, again, I'll have to be a devil's
There we
advocate
go.
as a billionaire, you know?
Yeah.
You know how important that angel in front is?
Yeah.
And it just adds so much more value when it pops up.
It does.
And then it goes back in.
It does. And also, while it's going in, you can spit into that opening and take your revenge on the wealthy. That's how
Come
the...
the red angel.
Yeah. Rich can have the Rolls Royce, but the poor get the stories. Right?
Yeah.
They're like, today I spat in the Rolls Royce. And it's almost the same, right? Life is almost evenly, distributed.
Correct.
The end.
Yeah. No brand work for you from Rolls Royce, for
Damn.
sure.
I want to do a brand collab with the poor. Just it says the poor.
The poor.
Yeah.
Jesus. With the verified mark, the poor Instagram
Wow,
handle.
you're talking like you almost have something attached here.
Sorry, my temple is it's inbuilt. I put it inside my head.
Oh, okay. Good.
My body is my temple. What are you talking about?
Next segment.
What is this? What?
That sound effect.
What a
Yoda.
It's a very South sound effect of movies.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, top 3 temples. Let's go.
Top 3 temples.
Prefrontal cortex.
This one.
Amygdala.
And
medulla
these 2 are in
oblongata.
my top 2 and one of someone else's.
Dipinder's one is
Dipinder's
mine.
the one is the one it's not on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Neglected.
Oh, the other one,
That's like
yeah.
dark side of the
one I can
moon.
kill.
The one
All
we
his evil
haven't
thoughts are there.
We need his head and like that prism, like the dark side of the moon light coming out from this side. That makes no sense. But Dipinder Goyal, we love you.
We love you, man, dude.
We've spoken
Awesome.
about you once before and shat on you and cut the whole
Yeah,
thing out.
cut the whole thing out.
But not this time.
Not this time.
Not this time.
Not this
God damn
time.
it.
We're all going down
Swiggy
together.
for life. I don't actually. Do you guys have a preference? Swiggy, Zomato?
So, I do. Swiggy.
Oh, you have a process.
Swiggy, I have.
Swiggy?
Yeah. Because Swiggy is tied to my Indigo blue chips. So every time I
Oh,
eat
yeah.
something, I get one blue chip.
Yeah, this is how they get you. Even I'm like this.
Yeah.
When you said that, my first thought was, oh no, I've been wasting it. I've been buying from Zomato.
Yeah.
My second thought was, what have I become? I want my f***ing blue chips. What am I going to do with the blue
What is
chips?
this blue chip thing?
Indigo blue chip. You're talking to a tier 1 guy, by the way, right now.
You've made it to tier 1?
As a personality or What is this tier 1?
Tier 1 is in Indigo, right? He gets the top berth. He gets to sleep.
Light up. You open.
Yeah.
You know when you enter, there's some that are closed, right? Don't open that.
Yeah.
Best way for Jabba the Hutt.
Yeah, for him, they get him a glass of water before he asks.
Yeah.
Others have to be like, can I?
Yeah.
I want to get to a
I
point.
do and this is
But what is tier 1? What do you get? Your
nothing.
upgrade?
Nothing. It's dude. I was so dude. I have to be honest. I expected too much. When I became tier 1, I had a flight that night, right? And I thought they would say
Hold the
thanks or something.
Say thanks.
You sound like billionaires now. Okay. They should be grateful. They should be grateful.
He thinks he's
to
like in the
me.
top 5 travelers of the year or something.
So
to
I-
thank him, they
time
cancelled
the air hostesses-
4,000 flights.
Every
that
time
day.
the crew was coming, right? I was like, oh, okay.
Oh, you thought they have your photos in each plane. They have look out for these
It
notable.
was so sad. Okay, man,
You should take out your no spectacles and be like, it's me.
yeah, guys.
Hey,
take
sorry.
the mustache, it's me.
Oh yeah, you're traveling in disguise. You just scared people to ask for autographs. Tier 1? Are you tier 1?
Stop it, guys. Stop it.
No, I'm no photos right now. Hey, but Abhish, you must have got this, and I don't know if you have. It's a gripe I have that I've never received the thank you for flying with
Never.
us note. You must have got it, right? From the cabin crew.
Yeah,
Thank you for
never.
making us laugh with your words and your...
Something.
Yeah, and
bringing happiness to
thank
us.
you for...
60 crew.
For-
Shweta, Swati.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Namita. Selfie with them.
Thank you for drying the tears in our soul, stuff like that. So if there is any cabin crew or someone who knows a cabin crew who watches our show, please, we both are expecting a note next time.
No.
We expect
No,
it.
I don't expect
I want it, or
And I want a lengthy apology
or you will
first.
see. You'll see. I won't come out of the toilet when you ask me to.
And you know,
I won't buckle the seat
Yeah.
belt.
just so that we know it comes from this episode,
Yes.
I would request all the staff of all the flights to recognize these two faces
Yeah.
and give them a note and say, as requested by Abhish Matthew,
Just
you
to-
will make my day.
Just to sully the whole thing and
Just so
ruin
that
it.
they get what they want, but I get it through them. You won't get it.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
might, because he has tier 1.
That's
Yeah,
true.
I do.
I'm still in tier 2. I'm one tier
You're tier
behind
2?
him. Still, yeah.
How do I know what tier
Disgusting.
I'm in the
That
flying
means you're
tier.
tier 3, bro. If you don't know which tier you're in,
Yeah.
you ain't in the tiers.
Yo, I have simple policy. If I'm flying Indigo, I will take the express.
Sure.
Do it. Then what do
I
the
have
tier do?
40 free expresses.
Really?
Because I'm tier 3.
What is-
You have 20. Tier 2 is 20.
What does it do?
What does it
How
do?
does it make your experience
Just my
better? when you're-
posture is better when I'm I go like
But
that.
when do you have to apply the express? When you get there?
While you book the ticket.
Yeah, this is
So
the
I did that
problem.
call also. Once I booked a ticket, and it was a vacation. Me and my girlfriend, we were going, and I was like, "Baby girl, let me show you the good life."
Let me show you
and
the
then
good life.
after booking,
We
I
get
tried
on
to get
2
the
minutes
express.
before those people, and then they
And-
get on.
and we booked the tickets.
Yeah.
So after that, I wanted to give priority. I'll show you how I
Yeah.
travel, right? And then they wouldn't accept after booking. So I was calling customers. Said, hello, yeah, can you do that? No, it's not possible. Okay. Wanted to pay extra? Okay, I'll call you back. Okay.
Baby, let me tell you how we roll. We're not even going. That's when you
Just stay
reach.
here. That's how you tier 1 it
the
up.
tier 1 travelers don't travel. Stay home. So we going nowhere. Vacation right here. Staycation.
But that was, yeah.
Amazing. I've got to use my express, man. I've never used
While
it.
booking, you can do it.
But Indigo has changed the game for boxes.
Boxes?
Like the nuts that you buy.
Oh.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
you, let me just say this out loud. If you go to your friend's house and if they are hoarding on Indigo boxes,
They're a stoner.
I was going to put it in a much lighter way, but sure, comedy on the nose is what works here, I guess.
Yeah, oh, you're saying they're using it to keep.
It's
stuff.
it's
It's
rolling
a-
paper sized.
I have seen it so many
Perfect.
people's houses where I'm like, why are you holding it after nuts?
Yes, yes.
But then I'm like, oh.
Yeah. The nuts is just like a welcome present to
Yeah,
the box. The
that's
box is
true.
the real
Yeah, yeah.
gift. It's like
The nuts is, this
Yeah,
is
it-
what you
yeah.
need. So one is Indigo nut box
Yeah.
and Chayos cup.
Nut
These
case.
two things.
nut
Nut
case.
case.
Don't
Oh,
forget
nut
the
case.
joke.
Not nut box.
Yeah.
Nut box is where you keep your nuts.
Yeah. Nut box.
This is probably what Huberman does at night to make the nuts more tighter. You keep a nut in a nut box while
Yeah.
sleeping and get your REM sleep.
The nut efficiency has to be nailed down. Andrew Huberman.
No,
Andrew,
this,
right?
yeah, Andrew Huberman. This whole Indigo thing,
Yes.
that nutcase and all those things.
Yeah.
So, like, if you're in marketing, that is, if you've worked in marketing, that is the first thing the people will tell you. Like,
First
how
slide.
can we do?
Yeah,
how can we
first.
do like Indigo?
Yeah,
Like, how
yeah.
can you see how Indigo is like fun?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
like 6C, like sexy. You get it?
Literally any
Yeah.
child, like a 14-year-old could have come up with all of that copy. But it's just who they said, let's use it.
Yeah, let's use it.
They're the
And
first-
Actually, it works because if you had a clutter of official speak, and one spark
Yeah.
of create, like a spark of something different,
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
You know what Akasa does? They all wear Adidas shoes, and it looks
Really?
like they're gonna do one. What is that on the street? You suddenly dance.
B-boying. Oh, flash mob.
Flash mob is about to start.
I have an idea for Akasa Air to
Yeah.
be like Indigo. They should write Akasa Sukasa.
Beautiful. That's actually great.
Hey, please, guys.
It's not bad.
It's
No.
a sign when the audience is like, I like you. but
It's
the
really
punchline
good.
is
No.
But
bad.
it's just many people will
yeah.
not get it. Mikasa,
Yeah.
Sukasa is not that well known. That's my home is your home, basically.
Yeah.
So Akasa is your home.
Sukasa.
So I'll never get off the plane. I'll just stay on.
Or if it's a bad childhood, then you'll be away.
That hits close to home.
Which home? Calcutta home?
Sukasa. Mikasa.
When do we start the episode? Shouldn't we like start rolling now?
This was just warming up the cameras.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, it's cranking that shit up. So,
Okay, I don't know anything about you guys. Introduce yourself.
What?
We are meeting for the first time.
We met for the first time.
are you really meeting for the first time?
Yeah?
Yeah, we missed each other in Hortus. That is one.
festival.
Manorama, that's a festival.
You were on?
and-
It's
The
not
next-
Panorama, Manorama.
I said
It is-
Manorama.
It's Manorama.
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 It's,
What the hell? Andrew Tate?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not
Manorama.
Manorama? I thought it's like a panorama, but women are not allowed. It's a manorama.
It's a panorama.
Okay, Manorama, fine.
Manorama.
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 No, Manorama.
Yeah. Say it.
Mairi. Did I nail it?
Oh, I'll tell you what Indigo Blue Chip Tier 1 gave me. Chicken pox.
That's true.
Is that
Yeah.
like...
This
top
guy
tier?
he's just a fresh chicken pox
You just
recoverer.
boxed it. Bro, you want to see my erstwhile chicken pox?
When did you get it?
Above my eye.
Huh?
This side is my mole, no? Here,
Yeah.
here this, no? You see
Below,
this? About below
No.
my eye.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Very,
yeah, right? So when I was a kid, when
But
I
there's
had
one
chicken
down
pox-
here also.
This is a recent one. It looks
Yeah,
like a
there's
heart
like
now.
something here. Okay,
That's
nothing.
not chicken
That's a
pox.
face.
This I think is
Okay.
my lichen planus or something else, whatever. It happened just 2 years ago. But this one,
That's chicken pox.
when I was a kid, my cousin sister I think we were fighting. She went,
Yeah.
so it broke, and then since it remained here.
Oh, that's the pox.
That's the chicken pox when it broke.
So you're not supposed to break the chicken
I
You're
have
not
one
supposed to
right
break
here. On Bindi I have.
Yeah.
Yeah. Same mine happened.
Wow.
here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
A traditional chicken pox. Only Indians get it there.
Yeah, and I
You
have
know
one
that?
line like this. No.
Only we get it there.
Yeah.
Native Americans, they get a feather.
Then what if Dipinder Goyal was just hiding his chicken pox?
Who?
Dipinder Goyal
Yeah.
That's, bro, you cracked.
Dude.
cracked it, bro.
The probability of that being true is very low, but if it's true, beautiful. We'll never know.
How does it stick? Is it adhesive or does it?
He just licks it and.
It'll have that thing which
Suction.
the glucose things have. That
Oh, the pin.
pin.
You're saying he's pinned it to
It'll have a pin for sure. I think it'll be a pin.
You don't pin stuff
because
to
it
your
has to
head.
measure, like brain flow is like a blood thing, right? So it has to
Bro,
measure
it's
something.
probably
But
not
like-
doing anything. It's just like.
A
very-
randomized number. Huh?
It's like what Holmes? Emil, what Holmes?
Oh, Elizabeth Holmes.
Elizabeth Holmes. It's just a sham.
Theranos.
It's a sham box. It doesn't have anything in it. Maybe. I mean, maybe they're developing the technology.
Yeah.
Maybe they are.
You guys have any like, if you were a scientist, like something you would like to invent that you would be like, everyone be like, God damn.
My number
You do?
one,
Go for it.
like when I was a kid,
Yeah.
when I was in seventh standard,
Yeah.
I told my parents that I wanted to be a doctor.
Yeah.
And they were like, why? And I was like, because I want to cure AIDS. And they were like, what the what, do you have AIDS? why are you so passionate about AIDS in seventh
Step
standard?
one to curing AIDS, get AIDS. Now you have motivation.
But yeah, so I'll still focus on that dream, that pipe dream of mine.
Okay.
North Star. AIDS
Yeah, but AIDS is kind of it's
Manageable now.
It's you can live not AIDS.
HIV is
manageable.
manageable
AIDS
now.
is the final stage of
Yeah,
AIDS
it's
of
the-
HIV, which is not
Yeah,
good.
the tight.
Still not a great time, I've heard.
Yeah.
Not the
Correct.
dog's bollocks.
Yeah, you can ask him, he'll know.
Yeah. What is that? The Philadelphia, the movie sequel. Trishur.
You're from Thrissur?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Alleppey.
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 Houseboat.
Oh, yes, that's right.
Guys,
Beautiful.
Eugene
What a
Levy would
nice-
have been better. Alabi.
Houseboat. Malayali. What? Malayali ana? What is it?
Malayaliano.
Malayali ano?
Malayaliano.
Ah.
Malayaliano.
Vanamudi.
Vanamadi.
Madi.
Vanamadi.
Wait, I didn't know.
Vanamadi. Send a rocket.
Send a rocket.
Vanamadi.
Yeah, it's only
What? Is it
used
Thrissur
in
or what?
ISRO.
No, I mean it's everywhere.
In ISRO and in
no, ISRO also
hostels.
they don't say like Chandrayaan Vanamadi. Come on, guys.
It's like
Chandrayaan
that's how they do the countdown. 3, 2, 1.
What the?
That would be the today I will apply for job in ISRO. It's suddenly my dream to work in ISRO.
The next time I upload a video, I'll just be like, Vanamadi.
Yeah. Hype it. Vanamadi.
Dude, they should do something crazy when it leaves, like the rocket. No, don't just say one and start clapping. It should like a song should play. It should be like party rockers in the house tonight.
Vanamadi, 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 Vanamadi.
Do you have a scientific
Yeah,
idea?
invention. What would you focus your life on?
In school, I remember when I was doing physics, I was very fascinated by magnetic poles.
Yeah.
So I always thought if I can take two magnetic same poles and
Yes.
create disturbance and
Yeah.
push it out
Yes.
with another bigger magnetic force, it might create like an EMP blast. So I took it to my physics teacher.
Casually
Were you
speaking
studying with
about-
Oppenheimer?
The idea came when I was watching, I'm not sure which cartoon, but it was on Cartoon Network.
Nagasaki.
I'm not sure which
Do you
war.
remember?
Yeah.
I think it's Batman of the Future,
Okay.
where
Awesome.
there's one character that creates sonic waves from the right, sonic waves from the left, and the center sonic wave pushes and creates a projectile. So when I was so fascinated by these imaginary lines,
Yeah.
so I said, if I'm able to create it, then either an EMP weapon or levitation or maglev, some kind of which I didn't know. So my teacher diffused all of that down by saying that these are imaginary lines, right? I'm like, no.
But your first thing was to create a weapon, like a Palantir.
You know,
Always. As a kid,
sometimes
I'm very fascinated by weapons, aircrafts, old history.
and how to destroy.
like a lot of weapon stuff. I really enjoy
Yeah.
the
Weapons are
Favorite weapon.
I would say my favorite weapon would be
I would say
The pen. No,
drawing
guillotine.
out, gerrymandering, just talking till people are tired. That's my favorite
I
weapon.
think
What is
my
that thing
favorite
called?
weapon would still be a
Filibuster.
slingshot.
Filibuster.
Filibuster. Mine will be a slingshot or a
Slingshot, classic.
slingshot would be the best.
That'll get them.
Yeah.
That'll get them because I don't want to kill anyone.
Yeah.
Also, I'm not fighting human beings. You don't know in this, no? Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Okay.
In my situation,
You can
we are
hit-
in a post-apocalyptic robotic attack world. So at that
Okay.
time,
Okay, then
will
slingshot is
projectile
gonna
take
work
you?
there.
No, EMP will.
Oh, okay.
If you're using projectile weapons, you're
Yeah.
only giving them stop power. They are going to compute
Virus. You
regardless.
send one non
Exactly.
virus.
No hard disk. So, but if you have EMP blasts, then you can clear out all electronics for some time.
Beautiful.
What works at that time? Either mnemonic weapons, which mnemonic, if I'm not wrong, is hydraulic weapons,
Ah.
or you'll have
Pneumatic, do you mean?
Yeah, I'm forgetting the name. What is
Mnemonic is
it?
like
Mnemonic
Pneumonia.
is a word, no?
no, mnemonic is when you write like something
Yeah.
to remember
The
things,
letters,
the letter,
like-
one
the other
letter.
one is new.
Pneumatic.
Pneumatic.
That is true with air though.
Yeah,
Anything air say. Pneumatic
pressure.
pump, pressure.
You use
yes.
pressure. and
Yes,
so
yes,
I
you are
think
saying
these
pneumatic
are the
only.
two texts that I would.
This is like
as
such
billionaire
a
invest in.
real answer to a joke question.
Yeah.
But all of you, even I have a.
No, but
really
he's preparing for
ridiculous-
World War IV.
I prepare for zombie apocalypse in my head, for a robot takeover, but not humans, because somewhere that Christian in me like I
And-
kill humans.
But what if, like, suppose two humans are attacking you? You can, like, home alone your way out of it.
Yeah.
What weapons would you create?
Oh, if I have time to create,
Huh.
buddy, I'll just talk to them.
So if you have time, you'll use the easiest option.
What do they want? Money? Take it.
Beautiful.
Whatever I have.
So slingshot is also great because you can use it to like attack animals.
Yeah.
Which is not nice, but you can. As a kid, you could have done it. And
Perfect.
you
Number
can-
one serial killer
you
trait.
can attack your siblings, which I don't have. So it's useless, is what I'm saying.
animals.
You can get 2 birds with 1 stone, and literally you could with a slingshot. I had an idea. This was just to set up my own
Okay.
invention idea, which
Clearly you
is
can edit
nobody
both
will
of
give a
us.
shit about. But it's one of the things with genetics is they say acquired traits cannot be inherited. Okay, so you can get a tattoo, but you have child. The child will not be born with a tattoo.
Correct.
You got that right. Genes are like all that you do, bro.
Outside you do everything.
I am continuing what I have.
Yeah.
You are not even important. You are
Yeah.
a vessel to transfer me to the next generation. But with AI, I feel you can tattoo the genes now. So you will your whole like next generation will be born with the same tattoo because in the DNA level you can
So
manipulate.
CRISPR,
it.
it exists.
I knew someone will get there before me. It always happens. My first idea also someone got there, which was
What was
just
your first idea?
swimming goggles with prescription swimming goggles. When I was a kid, I was like, I'm blind, so I hate like that. I can't see anything while swimming. So, if I
But
can
the market of that is so small. Prescription.
That's why I gave up in
blind
seventh.
swimmers.
That's why in 7th standard I stopped.
Okay, fair
I didn't
enough.
invest in that idea.
You would have been Shark Tank otherwise.
Yeah, otherwise all my pocket money would have gone
You would
to
have
this.
been with
in-
Lenskart. You could have
Yeah, I'd
gotten,
been
bro, with the IPO.
bootstrapped. I was bootstrapped at that time.
That's what your spectacle company should be called.
Bootstrap. And we'll eventually pivot to being a shoe company because it's not working out. But yeah, these are my 2 ideas. So if you want to invest sharks, let us know.
You mean sharks underwater when you wear prescription?
That's right. This is the first Shark Tank where the 4 judges are the actual sharks. Hello, sharks. And the sharks are like, we don't get eye issues. Why would we invest in this? We are sharks. What is your EBITDA right now, or whatever the next?
But
question
now dogs are like watching TV, right? Will they have power?
is. I think they will develop eye issues
Right?
eventually.
They are watching like Bluey and all, right? That's a
Yeah, there's a dog TV show.
dog TV show.
Cats play video games.
Cats play video games?
Yeah, there's a lot of tablet games where they kill fish and all. Just for
Oh.
cats. It's like it's just motion. And they
Okay.
have to stop motion.
Just
they
like
love it.
tap.
They
Stop
love,
motion.
Yeah, stop. They like to stop motion. Not the.
Hey, dogs are colorblind, correct?
Blue,
Yes,
I think they can
yes.
see blue.
Like, but
Yeah,
they
whatever.
can't
They
see
are
all
Yeah,
the-
colorblind,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
What we consider colorblind, of
Yeah.
course,
Yeah.
they might have other ranges that we don't.
But
get.
their smell is like.
Smell
goated.
is like there.
Great.
Animals in general, that's their main sense. Eyes
Smell,
are
yeah.
just.
In the future, you can like we learned from Batman Beyond, you can infuse genetically different capabilities in your gene that animals have, like starfish,
Yeah.
for example. If you chop it, regrows, or
Oh,
Like Matrix.
long life and stuff.
Long
like that.
life.
So
Oh,
you were,
like
while you were
jellyfish.
working on the tattoo
Yeah.
thing, I think there is a way to
Listen,
use
man.
these in-
This
Let
guy's trying
me-
to get tattoo people out of business. That's all he's doing.
Yeah, I
like
don't
one
even-
tattoo for 3
I hate
generations it will
tattoos.
last.
I feel like it was. Here's the thing: tattoos are a way to show your individuality
Yeah.
and be like, "This is me. I'm free of what my family made me." I'm trying to sabotage that. You're born tattooed. Where are you
5
gonna put the
generations down is
tattoo?
full
Yeah,
like a
disown
mural.
his heritage.
Where will you put your tattoo now? Huh? In your eyes, which is they're doing that.
They're
by the
doing
way.
that also,
People
yeah.
are tattooing their
Yeah,
eyeballs
yeah,
now.
oof.
That's what happens when regular people start getting tattoos. What do the extreme people do? Like the HR is getting a skull on the neck. So obviously the skydiver has to be like, I have
Has
to
to
do
do
something
something
more extreme.
Did you watch Alex Honnold?
Oh, he climbed the Taiwan building. Right?
Taipei, yeah, Taipei 101, yeah.
Yeah, I
Chinese building, sorry.
yeah, as of now, whichever the building, the
yeah.
building in that region of the earth.
Yeah.
How was it? Was it good? I've seen
I
the.
mean, he climbed it.
He
yeah.
climbed it. Must have been good. Otherwise, it would have been great.
Yeah, exactly. It's like it's either going to get 10 million views or 100 billion. It's 10 million. We'll take the 10 million. He
This
made
is
it.
the worst part.
You
He was,
think the producers of that show are like, he did it, congrats. And then they're like, anyway.
yeah, there was a 10-second delay between the Netflix live and this, so that if he falls,
That is the
they
marketing.
can cut.
Yeah.
It's like the last time something like that happened was the Red Bull
Yeah.
jump from the
Yeah,
stand.
that Felix bomb.
He
passed
died
away.
now, though.
Yeah.
He's dead now.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Not from
In a
that fall.
skiing accident or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, skiing.
All big athletes like skiing is the one there. Schumacher.
Skiing, yeah.
Skiing is dangerous
Skiing
enough,
is
yeah.
dangerous as hell. The Formula One person gets almost
Yeah.
death. We've not heard anything about Schumacher. Like, this is the most private.
Yeah. It's almost like he's in a coma.
But good that
Almost.
the family and all are also like keeping it in the.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Also, the media gives that privacy.
that's true. I'm really happy that I don't know what's going on.
Did you watch the Taipei 101? I saw that. Dude, the best part of that was that the office was running.
Yeah, people are inside
People
looking
inside, they're like, hey, Alex, hey.
the distraction. dude.
Yeah.
They were saying hi and everything.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
he's waving to them.
And he's waving to them. People are taking selfies.
Dude, the level of confidence he has in his grip is like the
And he
all
did that
time.
bad grip also, which is the leg, hinging the leg and like,
Leaving the
like
hand.
that.
yeah, and doing
That
chalk.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Have you watched Free Solo?
Yeah.
Free Solo is one of the most like goosebumps inducing things
Yeah.
ever, dude, when he does it.
But this guy's a red flag. Like Alex
Oh, yeah,
Honnold
yeah.
for a girl. Like he's
Yeah.
like, I just like, he climbed 3,000 feet at El Capitan.
Yeah.
And he came back and he's doing grip exercise. But in that free solo run where like he's just started dating someone
Yeah, yeah,
in
yeah.
that, and that girl, he's climbing 3,000 feet like a rock formation.
Yeah.
He's climbing. So this is like tougher than Taipei 101.
Yeah, yeah.
And she's like, hey, why do you want to do this? Like, hey, and he's like, this is, I mean, my dream, this is
Yeah,
everything.
this is what I do.
Like, but you'll die. And if I die, I die.
Yeah.
Like, it's the worst
Insane.
boyfriend to have.
Yeah. Which also I think is like a great attitude to have when you join the military as well, no?
Yeah. They
Which
just-
is you're like, if you're like, okay, I'm doing this. I know it's dangerous, but there you get this thing like you're doing it for
Of
country
course.
or
Yeah.
mission. What is the reason to do this? Like free
If you
solo
don't have
this?
fear of death, I mean, like at the level that normal people have, then you can do a lot of like that's why people who come close to death and survive, they have like willpower beyond any.
Yeah.
Like they're like, dude, I've seen what happens. I'll deal with it if
Yeah.
it happens again.
Yeah.
But when I was watching Free Solo, the thing I remembered was him saying how it's all about like he remembers each
Yeah, grip,
motion
yeah.
and like he learns the trek right
yeah.
when he's doing it with the rope.
Yeah.
And how arrogant comedians can be. I'm like, this is so much like stand-up, right?
Yeah.
We just keep repeating our moves. I'm putting my hand in the same grooves every time. And then finally,
It's the
we
same.
have the cameras rolling and I do it
No
without
rope, there is no
ropes.
rope.
No rope. Right? And my girlfriend is like, why are you doing this? Why do you get a real job? I'm like, this is what I do. If I bomb, I bomb, man. This is my life, you know? So yeah, I mean, we are all Alex Honnold. That's something.
I agree.
I'm doing 2 shows in Taipei
okay.
tomorrow.
How much, the big controversy on that is how much he got paid for it. You know how much he
Oh.
got paid?
Is it a lot?
Just guess. How much would you, Alex Honnold, one of the greatest climbers ever, climbed one of the tallest buildings ever without rope.
I
How much
would-
do you think he should get paid?
I think 5 million.
5 million,
I would say
Abhish?
like 50 million.
50 million, 500,000.
God
He
damn.
needs a
Dude,
manager.
I've seen so many stats.
bad negotiator. Can negotiate a climb. but
That's what
not
I was
a-
reading the article.
Actually, think about it for him. Sorry.
Yeah, I was reading the article in which he was saying that he did a worse negotiation skill, a tactic where he was like, I'll climb it for free also. Netflix was like,
It's my passion. Okay, guys,
Oh,
if you ever want
God.
to negotiate, even if it's your passion, don't let the client know it's your passion. You have to make it look like.
yeah.
Yeah. Can you believe he did it for 500?
Yeah.
Literally, any of us could have been his agent, manager, and just. We could have made 500 million.
Yeah.
500,000,
500,000,
sorry.
yeah.
Let him do the climbing, we'll do the social climbing.
Yeah, we'll
On
be
his
like,
back.
we are keeping 10%.
Yeah.
This is what they do anyway,
Yeah,
right?
true.
And
500K.
500,000, that's it.
on the way up, 500 and back down,
He came
500.
elevator.
Oh, he came by
Elevator.
elevator. That was another mistake.
Man, if he came down, it would have been 1 million.
It was an elevator pitch. It's like, come down an elevator, we won't pay you for that.
How long did it take for him to go up?
1.5 hours.
Loser.
And non-stop, except for selfies and stuff.
Yeah, and like he took, like there were breaks and like there were like at every 8 floors or like some floors there's like a
Is it the
ledge.
tallest building?
I think it's one of the tallest buildings. Yeah, there's a ledge where he stood and he just like relaxed a little bit. So that's what it's like. He was trying to justify the low price, saying that it was actually an easier climb. We were like, yeah, you got fleased,
Yeah.
Even the
brother.
Triune, the trek that I did,
Yeah.
knocked the wind out of me.
If
And there
Netflix
were
came
no
to you
grips needed.
for Triune Trek, you would be like, bro, 1 million.
Yeah, that's true. I'd be like, 1 million. to lagega."
I heard next he's gonna do it like in a Chinese, like an iPhone factory. He's gonna climb it. But
Yeah.
on the way up, people are gonna be jumping down. So he has to avoid like the
No, it's
obstacles.
too safe because
That's a great answer.
it's too safe there because there are nets also, right?
Ah,
So
the
you can
safety nets. This is
there
the
are
whole
nets everywhere in
problem.
these Chinese factories.
He's like, I don't do nets, and I don't do more than 500k. 500k is my cutoff.
Man.
But is there what is left to climb? What is the next one? Because now they're gonna keep doing this. I'm telling you, he's gonna climb a lot.
Burj
Khalifa.
Someone has already free soloed Burj.
Burj is now in like the 6th or 7th, maybe tallest.
I think it's
building.
high time we now implement space elevators. And that's the next one.
Space elevators.
We need to add
Bro,
our
my
orbit.
building, 4th floor, it's not reaching right now. You are focused on
I can't
space.
even do one pull-up. What floor are you talking
Space elevator is the ultimate assisted pull-up.
about? Half of it is in like zero gravity where
Yeah.
it's yeah, that's true.
But what are you going to do up there?
What are you going to do up there?
In space, it's
Yeah,
boring.
when you're up it, when you have a space elevator connected down to the ground, halfway when you're getting there, you'll have a space hook, which
Okay.
is connected. It's what is geostationary. No?
Yes.
So when a spaceship comes or is released in the air, it uses the Earth's gravity
Yes.
to slingshot it towards the next place.
Yes.
So that'll be a good
And go
goal.
where? You'll go to another
To
planet.
how else will we go from Kardashev scale
Yeah.
0.75
Okay,
to 1?
sorry, my bad. Yeah, that I forgot. What
Which
scale is
podcast
this
do you
again?
think? I think you, in your research for a podcast,
I went to
you
the
like broke
future.
studio, the famous astronomical podcast.
Oh, by the way, they found evidence, or they have recently, by scientists have recently mapped out what they best consider dark matter, where it's on our cosmic scale.
Where?
So you can't observe you can't observe dark matter, but you can observe its effects. Much like when they photographed the black hole
Yeah.
last year. Before that, it was only hypothetical.
Yeah.
But then they were able to see
Yeah.
the black hole. So similarly, for dark matter, they've been able to
Good,
But
man.
what is the? How does it affect like the
the
sensex?
theory of
Sensex. Should I invest in dark matter?
Yeah.
DM has gone up.
I mean, quantum fission.
Fission.
They were able to. Fission energy. Okay, fine.
Nucleus.
Back to the time.
Uranium-235.
Yeah. Plutonium.
Not great, not terrible. What is it? Chernobyl.
Yeah.
Top 3 nuclear power plants that you know. that you know.
Fukushima number one, bro.
Fukushima.
Number one, Fukushima.
Trombe.
Trombe. Oh, what a name, dude. I love Trombe. It's like
Trombe,
Bombay's
Trombe.
brother, Trombe. Okay, Abhish, you were to now get. Let's start. I think we can start.
Yeah, now is the
Should we
time.
start?
Yeah, we should
Now
start.
we're getting it.
So you've done clowning. You've done a workshop in clowning in Norway, was it?
Yes.
Is it Norway?
Yes.
With Karen.
Yes.
How do you say her last name? Hauge.
Auschwitz, what?
Hauge. Karen.
Hauge.
Karen. We know Karen.
How I've heard.
Hog.
How I've heard her pronounce it is Karen
Yes.
Hugge.
Hauge.
No.
Oh,
you
like
have to do
the
ex-
International
like
Court of
Hugge.
Justice.
Yeah, the Hague. That's the Hague.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Hague. It was
Karen-
done. It was taught by this gentleman called Philip Burgers.
Philip
He's
Burgers.
Also, if you've seen Characters on Netflix,
No.
he has an episode in that also, and he goes by Dr. Brown Comedy.
I know Dr. Brown. He's a very famous clown, by the
He's a
way.
very famous guy. So he was teaching. It's crazy good.
Hmm.
What a great experience for those weeks, because we were all in this one big forested farmland and all. But he was also like, okay, enjoy, be sensitive. There's some things that as a comic, when you're hearing it, you're like,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
then after some time when you go on stage, you got to flop again and again.
Yes.
It really breaks you down. You're like, okay, what am I?
Hmm.
So everyone had a little bit of like that experience. So it was really good, because after that,
Hmm.
when you come back to normal life, you're like, Arey, ye to aasan hai. Like when you go for festivals,
Yes.
then you see so many
Yes.
crazy acts. When you
Yes.
come back and look at your own stuff, you're like, this is so safe.
Safe. That is
Then
true.
it
You
just
do feel
remove
that.
safety
But what is the clowning like? I
Yeah,
mean,
the
I don't know
essence.
if there is like for improv, yes and is the essence, right? Is there like one crystallized or distilled essence for clowning? Like, what is the mantra?
Yeah, because in from as an observer, what I saw is becoming like your child self again. I feel like there's an element of just being. Having wonder, a sense of wonder about everything. Like,
Okay.
oh, like I sense that
acid,
with
like doing
clowning.
acid for the first
Yeah,
time.
like seeing everything for the first time again. Yeah,
Yeah.
basically. But that might not be like what is it?
What is
That
actually?
could be also implemented for improv, no? Which is
Okay.
like childish play,
Yes.
look at everything new. I think what I got out of that is embrace the flop. Flop is what you feel when an idea doesn't go well.
Okay.
Be comfortable with it. But not comfortable, just embrace the flop. And it's poetic stupidity. It's you have to be stupid. You will not win the situation.
Yeah.
And we always have like someone, if a heckler comes to us, we take them down, we feel
You
good.
gotta win, yeah.
Brain feels good. Here is to follow your stupidest of impulses. So I think that's.
And
what I
then
would say.
when you are able to do that, because you've got to feel good at the end of this, right? So what is that feeling when is it just you feel like a sense of, as a performer, immortal, that, okay, now no situation, you can, like, I won't break down in any situation because I know what can happen, what's the worst that can happen. Is that what it is? Or like, what is it
I
that you get out
don't
of
know
it?
yet. So after I did the workshop, I wanted to implement it. So I did an Abish alternative, 5 back-to-back shows, just to see full clowning, what that would be like. And every time I see those videos, I'm like, sometimes I'm feeling the flop. Sometimes I'm acting the flop. So I was like, that's a note for myself. Be like, don't act like you're flopping. Flop properly. Forget your material. Be in the moment and just come up with something new. So that sense of discovery every time when you do the same number 5 times, how do you still maintain it? So this time when I started going on tour with Abish Matthew and his Many Talents Part 2.
Awesome poster, by the way.
Thank you, man.
The Vitruvian man kind of inspired.
Yes, nice.
Yeah.
Shout out Pranav and Lloyd.
Yeah.
And Leonardo da Vinci.
And Leonardo da Vinci, correct? So in that show, there's stand-up music and a bit of... So I don't know what that is yet. But because I've done this a few times, I think I can confidently say it's... If you know things are working, try to keep it in the back burner. Unlike in stand-up, where you float up the material that does well, go on stage and build a momentum with the audience. When you crack a joke, the audience goes, ha 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 ha. Second joke, ha 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 ha.
Exactly.
Third joke, ha ha ha.
Oh, perfect.
Clowning isn't
Yeah,
like
I've
that.
never
It's a
reached
lot
that.
of silence.
Yes.
It's a lot of chuckle.
Yeah.
Lot of involuntary laughter, which over a couple of minutes becomes its own reaction. So I've started recording the audience's angle more than my angle, even on a cell phone, to see what are they laughing at. And it's usually something stupid. Like if it's something smart, I get the, like it's a different laughter.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
usually I wouldn't say anything that I write is smart for the audience to go, whoa, I
Yeah,
applaud.
yeah.
But the stupid stuff that
Yeah.
I do gets a more authentic reaction from them and from me. So I'm
Yeah.
like, oh, this
Yeah.
is my voice.
Yeah.
And I've also seen, like, in some of the clown shows that I saw, that this feeling of, in the beginning, there's almost sometimes a discomfort in the crowd
Yeah.
when there's nothing working. So you nervous laugh also, whatever, different kinds of laughs. But when the person is being stupid relentlessly,
Yeah.
and then once they'll do something smart, like you can do that, like, so there's like one guy who was just not speaking firstly. It was all miming essentially. And then suddenly he said a thing, 20 minutes in, he said like a sentence, fully articulated, destroyed. Because it's like, oh, this guy is a, like,
Okay.
and then he went back into the stupid.
It's like playing with tension.
Yeah.
Like, I did this one workshop. Okay. Usually, it's not the same jeans. Usually,
Why
my
did you
jeans-
wear
have
your
a trick?
clown jeans,
So
man?
do you have a trick inside it?
No,
Like
so
with a
usually I
ribbon?
have my
Red
performance
nose
jeans.
is like
In
a
the
ribbon.
right pocket, I keep balloons.
Okay.
In the left pocket, I keep rubber bands.
Okay.
So at
Interesting.
any point in time, if I need to pull out, I have a balloon that's just, it's nice because
Okay. Huh.
so you get, I don't know how to, it's like never mind.
Whatever,
So
you need
I
it.
don't have
It's
it.
it, yeah.
It's about building that tension. It's about building that. So when you slowly blow the balloon, the audience is fully interested in you. There's no laughter.
Yes.
But it's so unnerving that
Yeah.
but you get to hear some reactions. then if you let the balloon go, it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's seen it, no one laughs.
Yeah.
But if you really blow the balloon up to a point where it's about to burst, you are truly giving the power on to the audience. So now that power shift is new for them. So it switches their brain into like, should we fuck with him? Or should we say, no, don't blow the balloon anymore? It's very fun to see because a lot of times the balloons burst right on my face, gets a big laugh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Luckily, I have another balloon. So
Then
they
I'll
to-
get another laugh for
then
sure.
that gets, but again, then you can see half of them, everyone's like, yeah, blow it. After it bursts the first time, second time, you get to see the audience being like, okay, that's it, that's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
It's so different from anything you've done because you're giving the command over to them. That's all that I've learned from clowning so far. So I'm still
Nice.
figuring.
That's great, man. I think as stand-ups, a lot of how we think is like at odds with many things in clowning. So the way you are able to.
Oh, another good analogy for that is when you're doing stand-up, you are not looking at the audience's eyes. You're looking at their forehead or just above the head.
Yeah, I do,
because our
definitely.
mind's eye is to our material.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you're doing improv, your eyes are with your fellow improvisers.
Yes.
Right? You are again audience's soundtrack.
Yeah.
In clowning, the audience's eye contact is the most important. And that's
That
the
is
training
true.
that they made us do. And it's so tough. Because when you maintain eye contact, you get to see
What they're feeling.
Yes.
Yeah.
and then you go and feel the flop
yeah.
authentically.
Yeah.
Then whatever impulses are coming, it needs to be stupid.
Yeah.
This is
So
scary.
that cycle is something you need to practice, which I
Yeah.
don't get to other than when we're doing.
It's literally like I did a trial show yesterday, and for most of the show, because yesterday I was just doing bits. I have like bits to try, but at one point I let myself make eye contact, just allow
Yeah.
and with fear, because that's when I'm going to see the reactions. And in that moment, I started speaking with
Yeah.
someone because I've seen something there that I must address,
Now
and I've broken out of my material there. It's happened like.
No, but the whole thing of this, the different kind of laugh, which is something which I'm getting it, like this Sunil Grover does all that mimicry
Yes,
on Kapil
yes.
Sharma, right? And mimicry for Kerala has been like huge. Like there's
it's
like a
huge in India. It's an
Kalabhavan Academy.
industry.
It's
Yeah,
an
yeah,
industry.
yeah.
Right? So, but that laugh,
Yeah.
right?
It's hard to-
Is very different from your stand-up laugh. A
It
stand-up
is.
laugh is more like, oh, you got me there and all those things. But
Yeah.
the mimicry laugh and all these things, it's
Yeah. Actually,
very-
when you think about mimicry laughter, like I laugh like crazy at
Yeah.
mimicry, but when I think about why are we laughing? Someone is just imitating someone
Yeah.
accurately, and in our mind, another person is doing that person.
Yeah.
Why is that funny? Really, it's not. But
it's involuntary, right?
Yeah,
You
it's
don't
exactly.
involuntary.
And isn't there something to be said about how pure that laughter
Yes.
is
True.
as compared to I cracked a joke which somebody understood
Yeah,
and
it's a
then
different.
it feels
and
it's a
found the
different
whatever
laughter.
irony in it and
Yeah,
be like,
yeah.
oh yeah.
It's a
good.
different kind of thing completely.
Which is very interesting. Maybe I think clowning is more closer to that involuntary, like
Yeah, stripping it down to just where it's very primal.
yeah.
Great plug, man. Great plug for your show, which is your
Yeah, which is not on tour anymore.
perfect. We love those plugs, which you can't catch.
Ravish Mathur has many talents in your city, not anymore.
Thank you. Please go and don't watch him in your city
make sure
right
you
now.
Stay wherever you are.
Stay at home, enjoy.
So it's now time for our
Celebrated.
yes, our most celebrated segment, the only segment in our show. People keep saying keep doing it. We keep saying we'll stop, but people are like keep.
We might
doing
start
it.
the podcast.
We might stop the podcast
Yeah.
because you guys are not sharing. You are gatekeeping, I think
Yeah.
they call it. You've got to like tell people to subscribe.
Yeah.
So we will. If you keep saying
This
we are
could be the
enjoying
last
this.
podcast.
This
Yeah,
could be
right.
the last one. I mean, we are recording one day. No, stop the
Yeah.
cameras. Actually, what the.
Yeah, enough. Let's
They're
keep the
not
mic down.
They're not subscribing. We are talking for just them. Like, what's the point?
I'll give a shout.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Notebook LM has podcasts where two comedians, at least two people,
Cut this.
don't intercut
Cut
each
this
other.
right now.
So maybe try
Cut this
Notebook
right
LM
now.
for a better understanding of how to speak.
The L in LLM is loser, both of them. And M is me, if you're the one listening to it. Loser, me. Okay, this is the celebrated segment. It's called Small Talk Different Year. We're just going to continue a conversation, but not in this year. We are going to the year, very nice year, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fancy number.
Yeah, a fancy number, a logical number.
ADBC.
AD. It's
AD or CE for
Yeah,
non-religious.
CE for, yeah.
You know what
maybe
CE stands for?
Common
Hindu.
era.
Yeah.
Hindus.
What did you say?
Hindus. What? There- Both those letters are not in the word Hindu. All right, small talk different here in the year 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not how we word. What is this ape doing here in our year?
I've been told not to overdo.
So,
So
How's it going, man?
it's going quite well. I mean, I'm a South Indian.
okay.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
So it's going
so
good.
I'm right now in the South.
Yeah.
Okay.
In 1, 2, 3, 4. And Chola Kingdom is coming on a decline currently.
Yes.
Oh.
And the Pandyan Empire is trying to fight back. But luckily, we have Hoysala,
Hoysala, yeah,
Hoysala,
I've heard of them.
who have taken over this entire area.
Yeah.
Luckily, right?
So I don't know what the future is going to be like, but they are acting as the Chola and Pandyas mediators, but they are the superior kingdom. So we have given our fealty to them.
Man, I'm like, I don't know what's happening in South India, man. North India, like, I'm in Delhi. Dude, Iltutmish,
Oh, bro.
killing it. I
Yeah?
love it. He's consolidating the whole stuff, and he's a little sick right now. Iltutmish. And in couple of years,
It's true. Iltutmish. Didn't he go over to Madhya Pradesh? He went over to Madhya Pradesh right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
I got it from my post.
yeah,
Harkara.
you post. You have India Post.
Harkara?
Oh,
You
yeah.
know Harkara?
Messenger.
Yeah.
Messenger boys
Messenger,
used to
yeah,
write.
yeah.
So I got a scroll.
But you know the fun part, which is not fun actually.
Yeah.
I'm actually not really happy about it. A couple of years they're discussing the successor, Razia Sultana.
Come on. Not our
Ladies,
ass. No,
not
no.
my president.
Not my president. It's like easily like, I don't know, 1,000 years too early almost
Yeah.
for this kind of behavior.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this year? What is this like 1960, 70 something?
What is that even number?
Yeah. What is this?
Yeah.
A woman?
Yeah.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4. We don't want woman leader no more. That's what I say. That's the poem of this year.
Where are you right now?
I am. I was on my travels to a place which was not Mongolia, but it is now. This is what I found.
China.
They just keep, these people keep going on horseback and taking parts of the world, and then
I
they.
think my dad is Mongolian.
Your dad's Mongolian?
Genghis?
Genghis.
Genghis?
Wait,
Changiz?
You're also?
my dad is also
Hey, Changiz?
Changizi.
Changiz?
Changizi chicken.
We're all...
Are you kidding me, dude?
We're brothers.
Bro. I think we're the first people to do this ever, by the way.
Just say Mongols for life.
Mongols for life, bro. Squad goals, Mongols. That's what I say. All right. By the way, the way we just spoke, no one has spoken like this. This is insane. We're just inventing language or something right now. But yeah, man, I mean... How does it feel though to be 3 people who have made it to 35 in this era? It's very rare.
It's crazy.
But
I'm
we've
at
done it.
38. So
You're 38.
Yeah.
I'm as I could have children your age.
You could.
Yeah.
And you should.
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, we have children at the age of 5.
Yeah. Oh, the age? You mean the year? You could have.
Yeah.
You have 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the names, not even their ages.
1 Ishwar, 2 Ishwar.
1 is 2. 2 is 6.
Yes. See, next up is the 13th century. And I feel maybe
No,
in the
we are
13th
We are
the
in the
13th
13th century.
This is 13th. So we are the early medieval. I think so.
Yes.
I think if I had to write
I think
a
they will
history-
call this the 13th.
This
Yeah.
I-
We are the
was
modern era. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, our modern era
Yeah.
Yeah.
for futurists
Yeah.
is maybe considered early medieval because
Okay.
it'll go up till 13th century.
Yes.
Okay.
Right? Then comes the medieval.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? So we are behind medieval.
Man, you have wisdom, a lot of wisdom.
You
for a
have wisdom
38-year-old.
beyond your years, I might say.
what to do?
Hey, I was thinking there's this really good production company that makes plays. You guys want to go watch a play? It's called 13th Century Fox. They're making
Oh,
some really
man.
good plays right
I've
now.
heard, yeah.
Yeah?
That's true.
Do you want to go check out some plays?
Yeah,
I would
have you seen another Warner Father? Have you seen?
Warner Father.
Yeah, Warner Father,
It's
yeah.
a patriarchal story.
Yeah.
And there is a A23. There is A23.
A, 1, 2, 3, 4.
They're making some really good niche things,
Yeah.
niche plays with a lot of colors,
Yeah.
different colors, and also people from across from Mongolia,
Yeah.
where I went. Lot
Yeah.
of Mongolian representation and lot of
Absolutely.
diverse. I think
That's
is the
true.
word.
After all, Mongolians are our neighbors.
Beautiful, beautifully done.
Clowning, never restrict yourself.
Are you in the play we are watching today? You seem to have the skills.
I think don't go over here.
What is this sound? I've never heard this.
No, it's, I feel in the future
Yeah.
this will be a language.
Oh, okay. In a real language?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, interesting.
They live in a hut.
Oh.
Yeah.
And they
That's
serve-
like how, that's where I live.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You live in a hut?
Yeah.
Bro, what is your hut made of?
Straw.
Same.
What?
In Delhi straw.
It's a Delhi straw.
You know
Yeah,
what my hut's made of? Pizzas.
What is?
Pizzas. It's made of pizzas, my hut.
What is?
What is pizza?
What?
Where is it?
What is that?
What is?
Pizza, you don't know?
No. Pizza.
You travel too much. Huh? What is
Yeah,
it?
bro.
Explain what a pizza
Listen,
is.
man, they gave me a horse. I just ride it. It was an impulse purchase. I bought it on the way out.
Yeah, when you were
yeah.
just
Yeah.
like in a bad mood, you bought a horse.
Yeah,
is it?
I'm a 100-air in this
Yeah.
era, which is
Yeah,
like a lot
how's
of
your-
money.
How's
So-
your brain flow?
My brain flow is incredible. It's told me you will live till 39, which
Dude,
is like
dude.
more than we
Whoa.
can say about this guy.
I'm already in my late stage.
Yeah, you are in the
Yeah.
winter of your life. Right
Correct.
now.
I have so many children right now that I have to take care of. Yeah.
Incredible, man.
But-
What do you? Yeah. No, you please.
What weapons do you brandish?
I have just like a sharpened stone, which I just keep. That's my. I
Classic.
have a.
In the year
sorry, I
of
have a
1, 2,
concealed
3,
carry permit.
Retro. You're a retro
Yeah,
guy.
Yeah,
Oh, wow,
concealed
yeah,
carry.
yeah.
Concealed carry permit.
Are you still in the Stone Age stuff? I like it.
Yeah,
I like
yeah,
You're
it.
like, yo, this is
I
my
like
stick.
it.
Yeah. When someone messes up, like, hey, they don't mess
Yeah.
up
Or
with
like this,
me, yeah.
no bronze, no
Yeah,
silver.
yeah.
What's
I
your-
like that. I have that trap. What do you call it? You just keep
A
it on
bear
the ground.
trap?
Bear trap.
Oh.
It's just I just carry it with me and just drop it next to me wherever I stop.
Oh.
Is that what you call pizza? Pizza?
No, pizza also looks like that.
Oh, okay.
Pizza was like a thing. Basically, people would eat in Italy, I think.
Italy?
Rome.
Italy.
In the
Rome,
Roman
yeah,
Empire.
Roman Empire.
In the Roman Empire.
Empire.
What is that how they tell you to greet?
Roma.
Roma.
Roma, they would have like mushrooms and tomatoes and all.
What?
But they didn't have cutlery.
Cutlery.
Cutlery is like
A
plates,
vegetable?
plates and
Okay,
things.
oh.
So they would just make it out of dough, and then they're like, "Hey, why don't we eat the plate also?" And that's
Oh man,
that's how
eco-friendly.
Pizza is a plate.
pizza's plate, and it's a tower, and it's straight right now. I don't know. It doesn't exist right now, but one day it will exist, and it'll be like this, and then one day it'll go like that.
Wow.
I,
You can tell the future.
I predict.
Are you the proverbial
Nostradamus?
Damus?
Nosferatu? No, Nostradamus.
Not for you.
Nostradam us. What are you doing for New Year's?
Actually, it's gonna be a tough New Year for us because I'm predicting some bit of invasion. You can see how
Invasion
at
is in
least
the
in the
air.
south, like this kingdom, nothing lasts forever. Plus, I know I've heard some stuff about the Sultanate, coming towards the south.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, let's see how that vibe goes. So I'm just keeping my kids and my wives close to me.
It's okay. I mean, if you have any problem, you can come up to the north because if you have a woman leader, means Delhi will be so safe for women. Think about that.
I don't know. In a few generations, I feel like we might not be able
You're
to.
a
breathe
long-term
there.
thinker, huh?
I'm a long-term thinker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's nice. It's crazy how we are able to breathe so well right now, and still we die at 36, 37,
That's true.
right?
Because there's something called
Medicine. Medicine. I've heard of medicine.
made like you put it.
You put it, and then it removes the spirits, the evil spirits from your body. It comes out of your bum,
Yes,
right? The spirit.
Bum.
true.
Yeah.
My
What are you?
Shamik, my mnemonic weapon.
Not mnemonic. Do we have pneumatic right now? I don't know if we have it.
I'm running out of it.
I think we're being invaded right now. Oh, unseen. It's over. It's over. That's the end of the episode. You've been a wonderful guest. Thank you so much,
you very
Abhi.
much, Abhi.
Do you have
subscribe?
Do you have anything to plug actually in the this will come out in next week.
Next
right?
week.
Next week.
Finish. One of the most
yeah.
beautiful looking
Thank you very much.
ours that has been out.
Yeah.
I have a stand-up comedy special called Finish, which is out on the Son of Abish YouTube channel. So check it out.
That's awesome. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel, subscribe to our channels, and keep commenting. Even if it's a comment about how we should increase our subscribers,
Yeah.
comment. And please share, man. What the hell are you doing?
Enough.
If we don't get to 10K really quick,
It's
we
over.
are gone.
Yeah, it's over.
We are so gone. You guys have no idea. Antriksh is feeding his whole family because of our wealth that we are endowing on him. He will also have to start add another podcast to his quiver if we stop. So please don't make that happen. Just subscribe, God damn it.
Subscribe. How many subscribers do you have right now?
Around 6,000?
Yeah, just shy of 6, I think.
Oh, bro. After this episode, 5K.
That's the kind of movement we are looking for. Thank you so much.
See you.
Thank you. See you guys next time. Peace.